Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the assets and the canvas. First, open TikTok and pick a vertical 9:16 draft so the wallpaper fills the frame. Once done, select a high-resolution image. 1080 by 1920 gives crisp results. Then use effects, green screen or background upload, to import the wallpaper. You want the subject separated from the background, so record against a plain backdrop or mask precisely. Make sure audio and visual pacing match the wallpaper mood before moving to detailed editing. Now you focus on positioning and blending the wallpaper with your clip. Use the effects edit handles to resize and crop so the wallpaper frames your subject. Alignment prevents awkward empty areas. Then apply masking or feathering to soften edges and color match to make lighting consistent. Once blended, add motion, small zoom, parallax, or pan to create depth and avoid a static feel. Make sure transitions and timing match any spoken lines or beats so the wallpaper enhances. Finish by reviewing the entire clip and exporting at top quality. Play the video full length and confirm the wallpaper doesn't clip the subject, audio stays in sync, and lighting reads naturally. If everything looks good, choose a clear cover image and privacy settings, then post. If things go wrong, like jagged edges or color shifts, revisit the mask, increase wallpaper resolution, or swap to a different background effect. Sometimes a slight blur or tighter crop fixes visible artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.